Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So the first thing you have to do is to open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. Here let's choose the three dots icon in right upper corner and let's choose the history. Here you've got the full list of visited websites. If you want to delete only one of it, simply click this X button next to it. And as you can see, it simply disappears. If you want to clear all your browser, simply click on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, you've got some advanced options and basic options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, cached emails and files. And in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill for data or site settings. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to last 24 hours, for example, or last 7 days. So if you're ready, simply click on Clear Data. And as you can see, now there is nothing in the history. Pages that you visit appear here. So that's it. This is how you clear browsing data in your REALME X3 SuperZoom. And thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.